Hi, everyone. My name is Corey Dow, and I'm a technical marketing engineer with HPE Aruba Networking. So with 10.13, as you see with the overview bullets here, we now have the ability to tag traffic at the border VTEP for traffic arriving from external networks. As you can see here, we've got traffic traversing out to the internet and also out to the intranet. So primarily the traffic for reserve GBP, well, the traffic for group-based policy was primarily prior to this release, east-west traffic policy assignments. So you can see here for the AG1 and AG-N switches here, we basically can have group-based policy that can restrict access between the roles that you see identified below here. But for traffic that would go out to an external destination, either out to the intranet or intranet, and come back through, we didn't have any mechanism to be able to control policy enforcement between these differing roles going through. So what we needed to do was to be able to have reserve tags for, say, like internet and intranet traffic that you can identify with prefix assignments that can now have a role that is established for both the intranet and internet traffic, so that you can restrict access, say, on each of these access switches for traffic that's coming back down through the environment from north to south, and still be able to restrict access. So you could identify certain subnets, for example, as intranet, and to be able to restrict access from those subnets to these corresponding roles that you see down further below. So this further supports our macro and micro dynamic segmentation use cases. And as I mentioned, role-based access control for not only east-west traffic, but now north and south. And both single ANS or multi-fabric EVPN VXLAN environments are now supported with this feature set, and it provides a benefit of improved security, as you can see here. The supported platforms are limited in this release for 10.13 only to the 8360 V1 and V2 that you see here. So the Core 1 and Core 2, which would be the border, would have to be at 8360 in order to affect this new feature enhancement. And encourage you to go and look at the full versions of these videos that also include some very useful demos that can hopefully highlight how the feature is further configured and any caveats that might be there. So thank you so much, and hopefully this has been helpful.